Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So today's video is a simple, easy DIY glitter wall art. Very easy to make. So let's just get right to the video.
Hey guys, so these are the list of materials that you're going to need for this project. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box. So the first thing you need is your acrylic paint and your canvas. So the theme I was going for is a black and gold theme. I had black paint on hand and I also had gold spray paint at hand. So I just painted all over my canvas black and I was going to spray paint later. After painting, I then left the canvas to dry, then I was going to spray paint next. So while spray painting, I realized something that I did not account for. So spray paint leaves a certain kind of dust that kind of settles everywhere. So if you're going to be doing this project, I suggest you spray paint first before painting. So after spray painting, I had to go back with the black paint all over dust that settled on the black part of my canvas. I then left both to dry out. Then for the next phase of the project, you're going to need top bond, which is any glue of your choice. Then you're also going to need glitters. Water and my glue just to thin out the glue a bit. Then I started brushing that over the part where the black meets the gold. I then added glitter on top and just waited for it to adhere to the glue. I did that over and over again. You want to shake off excess glitter. Paint the mixture of glue and water again on different parts, then add glitter again and shake off excess glitter.
turned out really good, like better than I expected. So if you'd have this, or if you were to make this, where would you put this in your house? Your hallway, your sitting room, your dining area? Let me know in the comment section where you put this in your house. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.